Thank you to Modern Manufacturing India for bringing us all together, and I'm happy to be here today at this auto industry transformation summit. And thank you for inviting me to also moderate this session today, organized by ACMA along with IMTMA. I think this is very interesting because if we look, there's a lot of synergy between ACMA and IMTMA. Many of the IMTMA members or the machinery makers are actually suppliers to the auto component industry. And in India, this is one of the transformational sector with India's growth with the automotive industry contributing almost 7% to the GDP and almost 49% to the manufacturing GDP of the country. So this is a right forum to bring both the stakeholders and partners together. And this exhibition where we are at the IMTEX with almost 1,200 exhibitors. It's the largest IMTEX till now and brings the global manufacturers together on one platform. Of course, it's a good opportunity for Indian manufacturers also to showcase the technology, but also for the user industry actually to see what is happening in the global field also. Auto component, automotive sector and the machine tool sector have a close synergy effect because the auto component sector is very much dependent on the machine tool sector. In fact, the machine tool sector in that way is a backbone of the manufacturing industry. And with India's endeavor to become a $5 trillion and manufacturing to contribute about $1 trillion to this $5 trillion economy, I think the machine tool sector will play a very important role in India's growth story. So friends, let's be a part of India's growth story and let us take India forward together as we look at a vision of Viksit Bharat in 2047. Thank you.